today, I just have a quick question for you. How often do you wash your motorcycle? If you can see through, you know, here in the front here, if you can see through my windshield here, it is filthy. I don't wash my bike that much. You know, I'll wipe it down, you know, but I forgot to wipe down the windshield today, but anyway, I'd rather be riding. I don't like to spend time washing it, you know. Are you one of those guys that all you do is just wash and polish your bike and it's got to be show ready? Yeah. You know, I want my bike to look nice. True. But I don't like washing it. I hate washing it. I hate spending the time. I'd rather be, when it's nice, I'd rather be riding than freaking sitting there and wiping it, you know, washing it, wiping it down, polishing it, you know. So, most of the time, my bike is filthy. Okay? You know, yeah, I'll do the front for the most part. For the most part, you know, I'll wipe down the front with my waterless spray when I get, you know, hopefully get all the bugs off, except I didn't do it today. Get all the bugs off the windshield, you know, get all the bugs off the front fairing and the headlights and all that stuff, because where I live, it's buggy as hell, so the bike is disgusting, you know, a lot of times. You know, and the mirrors up here and stuff, you know. But anyway. I've never named any of my bikes before. But I wonder if I should name this one the Bug Killer. Look at all the bugs all over this thing. So if you have a bug problem, you need to get rid of them, buy a Road Glide. Because you'll smash them all over the front end of this thing. I just don't want to spend the time. I'd rather be riding. What about you? Just a quick question, that's all. You know, I need another video. If you watch my previous videos, you know I'm running low. So yeah, so how often do you wash your bike? Or are you like me? Bikes to be ridden. Right? Not to show off. Well, you can, but I'd rather ride it than polish it, than wash it, polish it. So, leave in the comments. Alright? If you want to watch more of my content, check out the video up here. And we'll see you in the next one. I want everybody to be safe out there, okay? Peace.